Welders, make your job easier today by investing in this DeWalt chop saw, which is specifically made for cutting metal fast and easy. This chop saw comes with 14-inch metal cutting disc and operates on 110 volts. It's durable, portable, and long-lasting. Available for this chop saw are 14-inch metal cutting disc along with replacement carbon brushes, so you can easily service your chop saw. Invest today, get 3 months warranty, great after-sales service, or visit us at 1 High and Hadfield Street, or call us on 227-6227 or 623-7755. And remember to ask for Antonio, and I'll be happy to assist you.